The three-phase overhead distribution pole-mounted transformer from Larson Electronics offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in outdoor and public locations. The low operating costs, low heat emissions, and low cost of ownership makes this transformer ideal for a wide range of applications and businesses. This power distribution system is designed for overhead pole-mount installations in use. With a transformer rating of 150 KVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of 34,500 volt delta and a secondary voltage of 3-phase 208Y or 120 Wye-N. This transformer connects to a 3-phase electrical grid system to provide 3-phase low voltage power for indoor distribution. This pole mount transformer features porcelain high voltage, 3 bushings on the primary side and 4 bushings on the secondary side. 10 plated terminals on the primary and secondary side accepts copper or aluminum connections. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.